Hi, this is Lavonne. Welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare for you some salmon with a cumin maple glaze. So, right now I have my piece of salmon right here and I'm just gonna slice it up into pieces. We're just gonna have 4 pieces. And I'm going to, let's season it with just a little salt and pepper. A little salt. And a little pepper. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put it on this tray. Let me put a little oil on the tray so that the salmon doesn't stick. I've got my oven set to broil on high. So I'm just gonna put these on here. It's just that easy. And I'm gonna put this in the oven to broil on high for about 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and put some glaze on it. I've got my glaze cooking. I've got a cumin maple glaze. You can use any kind of glaze that you want. To make it easy, the store, they have all kinds of glazes. You could just buy a glaze in a jar. You could buy them in a package. Any type of glaze you want. Today I'm using a cumin maple glaze. So I have all my ingredients in the pot. I'm just gonna bring it to a boil and then let it simmer. Once I cook the salmon for 3 minutes, I'm gonna just go ahead and glaze it up. So I've taken my salmon out of the oven after putting it on broil high for 3 minutes. And I put a piece of foil under here because I'm about to put my glaze on here and I don't want the glaze all under the pan under it. So for easy cleanup, I just put a piece of foil under here. So basically I'm gonna brush my glaze. It's a maple cumin glaze. Put a lot of glaze on here. And then I'm just gonna put it right back in the oven for 1 minute on broil, just to let that glaze cook up. Salmon doesn't take very long to cook. So, there we go. Make sure it's all covered up. And then I'm just gonna put it back in the oven. So, I'm back. My salmon has been sitting in the broiler for an additional 3 minutes with the glaze, not 1. And so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little parsley on here. And it's ready to taste. Remember how I put the oil on there so it wouldn't stick? You see how easy that came off of there? So I'm just gonna taste it. Remember, it's a maple cumin glaze on here. It's sweet from the maple, a little savory from the cumin. It's delicious and it's healthy. So thanks again for joining us in Lavonne's Kitchen with my maple glazed salmon. Bye, see you next time.